Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today we're talking about the Senzo Meyiwa case. We have an update regarding the robbery that happened to the officer, to the police officer, sergeant. I don't know which sergeant is that, that was busy with the case. Some details have come through now, and there are some things that have changed also. But before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you're watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. And thank you so much. The engagement helps the channel a lot. When you engage, like, share, comment, subscribe, it helps a lot. So please make sure you put your comments there. They help they do a very, very big job for the channel. Now, let's get to this issue because earlier on, I posted a video about, earlier this night, I posted a video about Senzo Meyiwa situation that happened, an office, a sergeant that was robbed on Thursday night. And now, Jiggy, it's no longer the case. No, it is the case of being robbed, but the details have changed. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna read in parallel. Don't get Sana for you guys because I want us to I want to get exactly into what was said initially and what is being said now. Because what is this, Nasan? So it's on Twitter. Let me see. Let me find what they posted. Because this is now what they are updating. We don't want the update yet. This was 25 minutes ago. I want the first news that they posted. Where are the news? Okay, this one did not post about it. Okay. Well, sorry guys. Okay, let me go to the, oh, it was the name of the thing. It was, oh, what are the people's name? South African Crime Watch. There, yes, this is what they posted on their page on Twitter. Ne? So, and then people were like, what? Are you for real? 8 hours ago, yes. This is what they posted. Material relating to Senzo Meyiwa case taken in armed robbery and attempted murder and sorry guys. Material relating to Senzo Meyiwa case taken in an armed robbery and attempted kidnapping of a police officer. Police are investigating a case of armed robbery and attempted kidnapping which occurred on 15 May 2025 at approximately 00:15 a.m. in Lombard, East Johannesburg, at the corner of Shakespeare and Cromwell Road near the golf course. Police sergeant reported that he was returning from an official operation when he was followed and rear-ended by a white Nissan Almera unknown registration. Upon stopping to investigate, he was confronted by 3 unknown African male suspects, one of whom was armed. The suspects overpowered the officer and robbed him of state issued 9mm PZ88 pistol, 2 magazines with 15 live rounds, laptop bag containing Lenovo laptop, USB drives ×2 with Senzo Meyiwa trial information, copies of statements and official documentation relating to Senzo Meyiwa murder case, SEPS 14 and OB book copies, handcuffs, police reflector jacket, wallet with appointment certificate, bank cards, and personal effects. The suspect attempted to force sergeant into the boot of their vehicle. He resisted and managed to escape into a nearby field. No shots were fired and no injuries were sustained. The suspects fled the scene with the stolen items. The matter is under investigation. That was what I was reporting earlier on, and I also read comments. Now, there is this new one that comes in Ethiopia. Senzo Meyiwa case investigator escapes attempted kidnapping. The National Commissioner of South African Police Service, SAPS, General Fanny Masemula, has confirmed that no sensitive documents or exhibits were stolen during an armed robbery and attempted kidnapping involving a former investigator in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case. Now, initially they said a police officer. That was, guys, did you hear that? Initially, in that other one, the first one there by Crime Watch, it says this officer was coming from an operation. Now they are coming with a former. What are they saying? It says a robbery and attempted kidnapping involving a former investigator in the Senzo Meyiwa murder case. Hang on a sec. Why a former investigator is going to have things of a current case in court? The incident occurred shortly after midnight on Thursday, 15 May 2025 in Lombard, East Johannesburg. The former investigator traveling in a state vehicle was followed by suspects who forced him to stop and attempted to kidnap him. The investigator managed to resist and escape unharmed. During the robbery, the state issued firearm, ammunition, police reflector jacket, laptop, USB drives, and photocopies of documentation relating to the Meyiwa case were stolen. However, General Masemula emphasized that the original docket and key exhibits remain secure and that the stolen materials had already been disclosed in court proceedings. Is this damage control? Because initially they spoke as if things left with the robbers. And now they are coming, guys. A high-level investigation team led by Gauteng Provincial Commissioner Lieutenant General Tommy Mtombeni has been assembled to pursue the suspects. Crime intelligence is involved and the motive behind the attack is under investigation. Masemula reassures the public and the Meyiwa family that the incident will not impact the ongoing trial. SAPS encourages anyone with relevant information to assist the police. Guys, these people, they know how to play us there. But now this sounds like damage control as if the other thing that was released, but is not make sure because people really went into that. And it was 8 hours ago when it was released there by Crime Watch, South Africa Crime Watch. And then now this one was posted around 10:30 or 25 to 11 at night. It looked like there was a meeting and they were like, no. Now that did not land and people did not receive it as they should have, or we expected them to receive it. They did not. Now they are doing damage control. It sounds like that. Sounds as if it's damage control. Guys, this country of ours, they said this person was, when they say is a former investigator, why would a former investigator have those documents? And the other one, the first one that was released, the one that I made a video about earlier, said that this person was out on an operation investigating. What were they investigating? The Senzo Meyiwa case? No, guys, no. This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. SAPS, what are you guys doing? This is so cringe. No, 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 no. Now he escapes. First of all, how can you escape when people have overpowered you? How do you escape after people overpower you, guys? Now we are on the comment section now. Yeah, earlier on, it was on fire because they were asking, do you guys think that we are stupid? Do you think we're from Kronstadt? Do you think we're from Nambit? What do you take us for? Like, SAPS, don't you respect us? No, guys, they're disrespecting our intelligence. These people, come on now. Yeah, I can't. No. Now they are posting this while we are trying to sleep and it's damage control and it's not landing well either because The wedding is not. Don't they have PR people, gossips? Do they need PR people, their gossips, because they can hire me to become their PRs? Yeah. What is this? No, no, this is so embarrassing, guys. This is so embarrassing. What are they trying to achieve, Carl, which was not achieved? What are they trying to achieve with this? Because still, this is going to fall flat, just like the initial one. This is going to fall flat, I promise you. It's not going to be received well also. I have a terrible headache, guys, here in front. Nyongo. I need to drink something. But yo, guys, why are these people hell bent on ukuzihlaza? Why are these people hell bent on embarrassing themselves like this during the people? Because wow, that was a lot for one day. What's going on? I pray to the Almighty that Monday we go back to court and everything is fine. We don't want stories. We don't want stories. Doch, we don't want stories. And I hope Umnisi would have received everything that he asked for. I hope so. Because Masemula now, actually, as much as but this article says it's MDN TV or MDN News that I saw the report from. But I'm hoping that because I did not see where Ulona Masemula was speaking, I don't know where they got this information from. I honestly don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Because I wish I could see where Masemula was reporting this or was assuring people of this. But I saw that lady, what's her name? Atlanta, also saying the same thing, posting the same thing, that there's reassurance from National Commissioner Masemula. Yeah, nah, guys, no. I. Who don't get tired now of embarrassing themselves. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to all of this? Wow, I can't. I honestly can't with SEPs at this point. Why? Okay, let me look for SEPs. Maybe this Fanima Semula one is there. We page here for SEPs because what is this, Nasan? South. Let me look for it. South African Police Services. South African Police Services. Which one is their official Don't Game Up? Because I'm seeing two. I'm not even following this one. Okay, there's nothing to see cleaner. Let's see this one. I hope it's there. I can't find anything. I'm just, wow. I give up, guys. I just give up. Let's talk a comment section. I want to hear your views because of that. I can't do with the steps. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.